Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you some products that I love carrying with me on the go. Whenever I do go out and I have done my makeup, I like to carry some products with me in case I do need a retouch throughout the day. So these are just some of the products that I really like carrying with me. So yeah, I thought I would share this with you. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Also today I am just letting my hair loose and just wilding out. So this is my natural hair. This is how it is naturally. So as you can see, yeah, there's a lot of volume and just a lot of everything going on. So today I pretty much just applied a hair mask, which is what I have been doing for these past days now. I have not put any heat on my hair for the last week or so. I have been pretty much just letting my hair do its thing, and I've been really loving it because since I haven't really had the necessity, or as we all know, we are under quarantine, so we're not really supposed to be going out. At least in our state of Texas, we are under quarantine, so we don't necessarily need to be out in the street if we don't have to go for groceries or if our job doesn't allow us to be at home. Other than that, we do need to stay indoors, and it's pretty much what I have been doing for the past week. And just also before I get into my video, I really hope that you are all staying safe and healthy. Just please follow whatever is in place in your state or your city. Just follow whatever our government and the health officials are saying, because we really need to just come together as a community. And as soon as we get through this, the better for all of us. I pray that it goes by quick and that we can get back to our regular lives, normal living. Those are my thoughts. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into showing you guys the products that I usually carry on the go with me. So yeah, this is the bag that I carry on the go with me. And here I just have the products that I carry, and I'm gonna go ahead and show these to you guys. So first off, I find very helpful to just carry a setting spray, and this is the one that I usually carry with me just because the bottle is really petite. So this is just a MAC Fix Plus. It's the travel size. So I just use this to go ahead and touch up my makeup after wearing it for a couple of hours. It just really allows me to freshen up my makeup and just give it some life. So yeah, I go ahead and carry with me a setting spray. But yeah, that is what I carry. I also always carry with me one of my favorite products, and I haven't talked about them in a while. I think I really just talked about them in the beginning of my videos, but this is always something that I carry with me everywhere. I have one in my car, I have one in this bag, I have one in the restroom, I have one in my nightstand. I have one pretty much everywhere, just because like I'm always touching up my lips, because especially during this time also where it's like windy and it goes from cold outside to hot, and just crazy weather times that we have been having in Texas. So it just really allows me to moisturize and just keep my lips from getting chapped, because my lips do tend to get chapped really quick. So I always carry one of these, and these are the Mentha lip shines from Bath and Body Works. So yeah, if you haven't tried these already, definitely give these a try. Like, these are just amazing. They feel super comfortable on my lips. So next, what I do like to carry with me also so that I can touch up throughout the day if need to be, is a translucent powder, and this was just the one from Believe Beauty. I recently tried this one and I really like how it leaves my skin. And with this, I also just carry a brush with me so that I can apply it to the areas where I need to touch up. So yeah, I carry this brush so that I can go ahead and just use the translucent powder with it, and it also just helps me to really blend. If I need to retouch my lipstick, I'll just use it to blend around my lips so that I can reapply my lipstick if it has worn out. But yeah, this is also something that I try to carry with me. Another thing that I like to carry with me is just any mirror. So this one I find it very helpful because it has the zoomed in version and it just has a regular one. So in case I do really need to be like really into my face, I have that zoomed one there. So yeah, just carry a mirror with me. I'm pretty sure all of you guys already do that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the products that are not necessarily makeup related, but that I really enjoy carrying with me. And it's gonna be just a lotion. You can never go wrong with carrying a lotion. This is just the one that I have, the Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion. And this has just really been helping me when you wash your hands excessively and they get so dry. So this really helps me to just keep my hands moisturized and just nice and soft, because with washing your hands comes the dry skin or just cracked skin. So yeah, it's not cute. So definitely carry some type of lotion with you so that you can just reapply. Another thing that I love carrying with me is just eye drops. I suffer from allergies like year long. It's not only seasonal, but I just suffer from allergies all the time. So having this in my bags comes really helpful because my eyes get super dry and just really irritated, especially when it's like the peak season of allergies. So I always like to carry eye drops with me so I can just use on my eyes whenever they're overly dry. And these are just the Clear Eyes Maximum Redness Relief eye drops. And last but not least, something that I love carrying with me is my nail cuticle oil. So I just love carrying this with me because I have been using acrylics for a very long time now. I think I'm going like on 3 years now that I have used acrylics like non-stop. I always get a refill like all the time. So this comes in really handy for whenever my cuticle is just starting to dry out or I'm already like on week 2 of my set. This is just one that I got from a nail product place. I think that's what it is. I'm not sure, but yeah, I got this from a nail supplies store. So yeah, if you have one near where you're at, you can definitely check these out. I just really like how they smell. Like, they just smell super pretty and they just really help with my nail cuticle. I definitely carry this with me all the time. So yeah, these are some of the essential products that I like carrying with me whenever I am on the go. If you guys have some recommendations, definitely leave them to me in the comment section below. I would really love to hear you guys' feedback and just any recommendations that you might have. And that's gonna be pretty much all that I have for you guys today. I didn't really want to do a makeup look. This that I put on today, I pretty much just put it on like in less than 10 minutes, and it was just because I was gonna film this video. But other than that, I am at home without makeup, without doing my hair, in my sweats and a t-shirt, and I am just doing that because what else is there to do right now? I really hope you guys are staying safe indoors and following all of the necessary guidelines that have been in place for wherever you guys are at. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Also, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel and remember to hit that notification bell so that you can go ahead and be in the loop of when my next video goes on. Thank you so much for watching and remember to stay scrumptious.